Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a really strong bay. It might not look strong, but it is super strong. First, you're gonna need a base plate. Then do it backwards and attach this for its grip. Then you're gonna need the something like this and attach it to this on the back. Then stick it on top of this. That's how you make the bay. It might not look strong, but it is super strong. And this bay is glued up to tree. I'm gonna battle it with the wizard fastener we made in last video. Okay, well, didn't you? Okay. Okay, yeah, wizard fastener will win. But this is still really strong. Well, if you spin it hard. But, yeah, you can upgrade it with other pieces, but this is how you make it. And really, it's really strong. Bye, guys.